Welcome to Chapter 4, Internal Styling. In this chapter, we are going to learn a faster way to code our pages. When you're using internal styling, you are able to code every page the same rather than having to go into the body tag and apply specific coding or styling to each of the HTML tags. So by using internal coding or internal style sheets, we'll be able to code all of our web pages at the same time. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to go to our flash drive and we need to retrieve and make a copy of our chapter 3. I'm going to my web design folder, going into chapter 3. I'm going to grab the entire folder called My First Web Page, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go to chapter 4. If I have not created a chapter 4 folder, please do so now. And then you're going to go inside and you're going to paste in your first web page folder. When you double click on it, you should see your images inside your folder as well as your web page. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to right click and we're going to open this document in Notepad++. I would highly recommend that you follow along, stop the video, do the particular activities step by step through so you understand how to do them. All right. So the first thing we need to do, we're going to go up here, change this to chapter 4, and we are going to scroll down to the body section because all of our HTML coding and inline CSS styling is all in our body tag. So on line 27 where I have the word body, I'm going to select the entire attribute or properties and values. I'm going to delete them so that all I have is my body tag. I'm going to do the same thing for my header. I'm going to remove all of that. For my images, I want to keep everything there except for the width and height. Oops. If you did not put in your alt tag, you need to do so now. You always need an alt tag in any image folder and image coding because the alt tag will tell the user what it is if the image fails to load. Then we're going to go to our button, and the only thing that we want to remove in our button is our style. So we're going to take that out. We want to keep the type and the on click, so everything else will be good. There is no styling in my nav bar, so I'm going to scroll down. I need to make sure I have a section. So you should have that. If you have anything in your section tag that starts with the style, you're going to need to remove that. Make sure in your section you have an H2 so that it is identified as a section. So you want to make sure you have an H2 with the word section. If you don't, please add it. In your block quote, we're going to need to remove the styling if you have it. Let's remove the mark tag. We're going to remove that completely. We'll keep our bolded italic. If you have bolded italic anywhere, you can keep that. Make sure we close out of our mark tag. I have another image tag, so I need to remove the width and height of that. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to make sure I have a closing section tag. I'm going to go down to my footer. If I have anything inside my footer or inside my paragraph tag, I need to remove those as well. So now we have taken out all of our styling. So if I scroll up, I'm going to hit the save button. And when I run this, I should lose all my styling. Notice all my styling's gone, which is good. I should be able to still click on my button and it should still work. All right, so that is the first step in clearing out and getting our website ready for internal styling. So at this time, finish up your website. Make sure that you have removed all of your styling tags, and then we'll move on to the next video. Thanks for watching and have fun.